Bitcoin's down, but it's not out. But most important thing, it means alt season has just begun. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. It's actually just Da Vinci. Try to get that right. Da Vinci, right? A lot of people call me Jeremy, but it's just Da Vinci. Jeremy is my last name, but I'm going to try to say just Da Vinci from now on. And man, it's a great day to be alive. We're seeing the alt season begin. I'm going to show you that in the charts in today's episode. And speaking about charts, we're going to do some TA so that we can maybe trade this later on in the show. So make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Also rns.davincij15.com for some ID because you need it in today's world because your government says no crypto for you. All right, let's go over to the decentralized corner, right? Because you know what? You could buy all these coins here decentralized without any government deciding whether or not you could buy them. And it is orc, you know, you just have to have some Solana on the Solana chain, waffles, WowMao, and for Ethereum, there is PayPay. PayPay, right, is just about ready to be a part of the alt season. We're going to show you that on all these other coins as well in today's episode. But we're going to quickly go over the news. 185 million in Bitcoin resurfaces. Dormant 2014 wallet awakens after nearly a decade. Okay, guys, sorry, calm down. It's just me, just kidding. Wow, a Bitcoin on block height 872,092. A long dormant stash of 1,965 Bitcoin, valued at a staggering 185 million, stirred for the first time in nearly a decade. Wow. Well, that's cool. It's just somebody probably moving that Bitcoin to another account or something like that for security reasons, or you know, might be selling it. Who knows? But yeah, there you go. Some Bitcoins on the move. Wow. Where are we in the alt season? Well, you can see this cycle indicates that, you know, Bitcoin first comes money comes into Bitcoin first, and then into Ethereum, right? And then goes into large caps in the coin market cap, right? And then it trickles finally into the alt season. I'm going to show you a chart on that shortly. PUMP.FUN MEMECOIN's freak show may result in criminal charges, experts. Yes, PUMP.FUN had a broadcast feature after significant backlash. A legal expert warns extreme content can open up criminal investigation and civil lawsuits. Yes, we heard some scary stuff coming out of the PUMP.FUN where things were happening that were just to pump their coin. Wow, it was quite shocking, some of the broadcasts I heard about. And yeah, it's really bad, really, really bad. Hopefully they just shut that down and never start that up again. That was just wretched. How low can Bitcoin price go? Because we've come down from the 99K, which I told you guys that last week. If you remember that show, I told you so. And I was thinking you guys are going to laugh at that show, laugh and say, oh, that didn't age well. Because, you know, I knew that based on technical analysis and understanding the markets, right, that this was going to happen. It happened to Bitcoin at 10K, where you saw all kinds of memes where Bitcoin was like running to the long jump and then missing it. And it was like 10K was posted up, all kinds of memes like that. And so we could expect the same thing for the 100K. So there it is. And we are getting that exactly as predicted. Okay, we're going to do some TA and look at the charts. Make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. And, oh, by the way, if you head over to tradingview.davincij15.com, you'll get 70% off the Black Friday sale that's going to go on for a little while for the next 3 days. I suggest you use this sale, and I'm going to do it myself so I don't have to pay, because if you already have TradingView, it will extend it out, and you might want to take the advantage of this sale because you want to extend your trading view for like 70% off. And you can do so with my link, right? And there you go. So I'm going to be doing that today. Once again, it's in the description below, or you can just head over to tradingview.davincij15.com. Okay, let's take a look at what's happening here. Bitcoin, we're about to take off, and it was a big fail here. We had to hold this line here, approximately this level here, and we have not. So you can see that there's a further downside for, sorry, a little bit under the weather, but for Bitcoin. So how far could this go? Looking at the heat maps, you can see that we can head all the way down to the 83K. Most likely either between the 89K and the 87K is the likely targets. And then we're going to reverse back up to take out the 100K, because these guys are like believing, no way, 100K, no way. Right, so yeah. And there might be a few fails actually as we try to come back up here. There might be a few fails where it come up to like 97 and back down again. So be prepared for that eventuality. And then, the memes start to show up. Since the Bitcoin dominance is clearly showing us some clear indications, right, that this might be over. This might be over. Now, of course, this is higher highs, but if we were to look at the RSI and the MACD, this indicates that the strength of the movement is slowed down significantly and has broken its divergence, right? So we have a divergence, double, triple divergence here. So this indicates that we are reversing heavily here. So yeah, will there be another quick pump and just to give us that feeling that maybe, and then that's it. It's lights out for Bitcoin's dominance. And yeah, we can finally start the party. All right, let's head over to Ethereum and see how much of a party that Ethereum is going to make. Well, we have not seen Ethereum break through its levels. It should take us all the way to the 4K level. There's indications of that. Like, let's go down to the 4 hour. Lots of, you see the W's here. You can, I can see it right from the dailies. And we just have to break out here, and then it's all the way to 4K. Once we break the 30, 35, 60-ish area. Looking at TradingView, you can see that it wants to go higher, but there is a chance that we could end up taking out the lower levels here for 3,200. If you do, I would suggest you loaded the boat on that, because it's going to reverse heavy and head to its 4K level fast. Looking at Sol finally, oof, that did not do well. So yeah, we got burned on Sol. It didn't quite take us all the way to its target, right? But the overall trade from here is still on, right? All the way break out from here. With that said, right, where do we look for an entry point, as this thing has, started a slide here down, but it's not over. Right? So there's a chance that we could end up going all the way to its target. There's not much on the heat maps for us to take out on the lower levels. So effectively, there is limited chances of us, especially on the lower time frames. So let's go to higher time frames, see, because this can move really fast. See if there's anything. Oof, further down, $190 level. Right? You can see that we could end up going as low as that, but I don't think so. I think we'll probably start breaking higher soon. Once again, I don't think this area here, which is the 215 level, is going to be tested. But if we do, it'll be definitely a buying zone. I don't think it's going to come all the way down here. I think this liquidity will dry up really fast if we do come down to $250 level. But we will see. All right. So that said, we did take out this liquidity. So the chances are that we're reversing here is very high. So effectively, let's take a trade. If we were to take a trade here, I would set the stop losses just below that last wick and take us all the way to 2 to 1, but we can go to all the way to the top here very easily. But chances are we could end up emming out and getting burned. So that's where you might want to take profits early in this trade. All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. A little bit under weather, but the show must go on, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.